As a customer service representative at Manscaped, every day I get sent thousands of up-close and personal pics from happy customers excited to share their freshly Manscaped junk. Thank you, Fred, from Milwaukee. This is a very real thing that actually happens. So you can imagine my excitement when I found out that Manscaped now has a shaver for your face. It's called the Chairman Pro. Meaning, maybe the next time a proud customer wants to share a pic of their freshly Manscaped manhood with me, it'll be of their clean, smiling face, instead of their